Today I'm going to make a video about updating to macOS Golden Gate from macOS Sequoia. I was really happy with Sequoia, and that's why for the longest time I tried to stay on that OS. I didn't upgrade to Tahoe because I didn't like liquid glass. I'm still not super excited about the changes that Apple made to their macOS operating system, but I need to be able to use the latest version of Xcode 27, which I can't from Sequoia. That is a problem because I want to build features for iOS 27, and I can't do that with my current operating system. So I'm forced to update. I'm not happy about it, but I'm going to do that now. I'm going to upgrade together with you, and then, yeah, afterwards I'm going to continue the video and we can go through the changes and you can see my first impressions of macOS 27 Golden Gate developer beta. So let's do this. Upgrade now, and here we go. See you on the other side. Okay, and we're back now on macOS Golden Gate. Yeah, as you can see here, we got a bunch of sexy notifications. This, I guess, makes sense. There's a bunch of options. Wow, allow, don't allow. I guess I'm gonna allow this because I already noticed my keyboard shortcuts are not working. Great. Let's see. Okay, now my Karabiner is working again. And the rest I don't need to allow. It's just useless information. Cool. My background seems to be gone. I don't know what happened there. Let's see. Let's go through this. Incompatible with this macOS version. Cool. No internet connection. Okay, so I was trying a bunch of different things, but it seems like internet is not working. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. I tried different DNS services. I tried to get a new DHCP lease and stuff. Nothing helped. I'm just going to restart the computer and see if that's going to help. It's already a great start. Okay, here we are again. Still no internet. It doesn't work even after the restart. I tried it. Another thing that doesn't work is using my iPhone camera, which is what I use the built-in camera for my MacBook right now. I find that super annoying. If I switch to it, it's just black. Super useless. So that is great. I hope I can figure this out so I can use my iPhone camera again. Yeah, but let me figure out the internet first and then I will get back. Okay, I figured it out. Little Snitch is not working anymore. It also says here it's incompatible. So yeah, but of course, if you see this upload, you know it's working again. Okay, that is too bad. I have to research that later because I really like to use Little Snitch as my firewall. I really would like to get Bartender again because this situation is a bit annoying. I don't get why the onboarding is showing up again, but sure, let's go through it. Okay, I guess it's this one. Screen recording already has it. So this is not working anymore. Great. Okay. I guess later I need to find a Bartender alternative. What else do we have? Let's check out Safari. Great, this is working. I see that the toolbar added like all my plugins, which I do not want. Let's fix this. I think they can all go. Don't need any of those. I like this to be here. I don't know. It's kind of annoying that it would reset that. I don't understand why. Safari looks interesting. It looks weirdly less minimal than it looked before. But maybe we can work with that. System settings, we already played around with that a little bit. There is appearance stuff for liquid glass. Cool. Okay. I don't know. Let's just keep it in the middle for now, I guess. Siri. Should we try Siri? Should we give that a try? Usually always have that off, but this is Let's try the Siri AI. Of course. Oof. What is that? Voice. Skip
Hi,
American.
let's find the right.
Let's just skip the defaults. No. Not now. Cool. How do we use this now? Does anybody know how to use it? Oh, we need to download it first. Okay. Well, let's get back to that later. Okay, I'm seeing that not all the apps that I usually use are still working here. Let's see if the Googly Eyes still work. Nice. Also, there doesn't seem to be a bar anymore. So I have this list of stuff that I want to try and play around with if I upgrade to macOS 26 and iOS 26. I already did upgrade to iOS 27 before, but there's still some stuff that I couldn't play around with. For example, this app, Transcription Pro by App Ahead. Big fan of the software. I already use this app to transcribe all of my videos and create the captions. So I'm really excited to give this a try. Okay, I don't really have something to transcribe right now, probably like after this video, but I'm going to use this for this video that I'm recording right now. And then another thing I wanted to try was Daft Music, because I couldn't try that before. So let's see how that is. It looks really cool. I was really excited to give this a try. It's like an app to use Apple Music outside of the horrible music app. So let's see how that goes. Open. Okay. Very nice onboarding. Sure. Let's start. Okay. I guess my window is a little bit too small here. Oh, okay, that worked. Close music. Okay, phone app, voice. Let's see. I didn't use L Music in a long time, to be honest, so let's listen to a little bit of Daft Punk. Allow that. Okay, nice. Yeah, I have to play around with this later, but I really like how this looks and feels so far. Yeah, let's look into something else. I think I want to fix the Xcode next, so let's quickly do that. Okay, I have the latest beta version here. Just gonna call this Xcode and open it. System-wide components must be installed. Usually that's really quick. There we go. Let's download and install, I guess. Cool. Okay. Oh, let's not do that. While this is all downloading. Okay, there's a lot going on. Let's see. This toolbar looks absolutely horrible compared to what we had before. Maybe I will get used to it. What is this? Oh, this looks like AI stuff. I haven't played around with that yet. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to bore you with Xcode, so let's look into something else. Okay, so we have Siri now, although I have no clue how to use it or how to trigger it. Let's just use the Siri app instead. I thought it would be cool to have it use like what's on screen, because I thought it has this on-screen awareness and stuff. Anyways, new conversation. What is the difference between Honda PCX and the Honda ADV? Let's see how that goes. Searching. Okay, cool. So this is like a normal AI chat app, I guess. Nothing special. So far I can say that the OS update and like the things that I was worried about, for example, like the Finder, I think it is a little bit worse than before. I already miss what we had before, but it is not as bad as I imagined. That is something I noticed, like across apps, there hasn't been like anything where like, whoa, this is really crazy. This is really bad. I haven't seen that so far. I think it's in general a step in the wrong direction, but yeah, I probably can live with this. Like off the camera, I'm gonna try to figure out how to use Little Snitch again, figure out why Bartender's not working, see what I can do about that. And yeah, I guess I keep you updated if I find anything interesting. That's all for today.